Lwaki wazaalibwa?
The first question was, why were you born?
Ekyokubiri, lwaki woli ng'oli mulamu?
And the second is, why are you still living?
Ekibuuzo ekiyinza okuba ekyokusatu.
The third question,
baakuleeta kukola ki mu bulamu bw'ensi eno?
what were you brought to do here on earth?
Tulabye tonnaba ggwe kuddayo newankubadde eriyo abazeeyo.
We've seen that you've not yet returned, even though there are those that have returned.
Katubeera n'ekibuuzo katoloba ndeeta kukola ki?
So ask yourself, why did I come here?
Ddala ddala kye bandeetese okukola kye nkola.
And the fourth is, have I done the reason why I was brought?
Ddala ddala kye bandeetese okukola nina obukakafu kye nkola.
Surely have I fulfilled the purpose why I was brought?
Oba ndi mu kwokya nnaku.
Or I am just burning my days.
Munda yange mulimu ebibuuzo biyitirivu.
Within me there are many questions.
Ekyasoose kyabadde?
The first was,
Lwaki wazaalibwa?
why were you born?